Hi, this is Steven from Sagrado, and please subscribe to Reaper Robber.
Hello everyone, this is Ian from the Reaper Rocker, and welcome to Tales from the Underground. On this episode, mag-artist feature tayo. At this time, i-feature natin ang rap artist na si Sacred Dog. And this is the first time na gagawa ako ng video tungkol sa isang rap artist, so kindly check this out. So if you're excited to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my social media accounts. Tara! Sacred Dog is an independent rap artist. He is known as Steven, the vocalist of the brutal death metal band Sagrado, and this is his side project as a rapper. He had performed in a different gigs in Metro Manila and had released his 3 singles entitled Crap, Illegal, and Unlimited Hate. It was released in 2023. So I become aware dito sa artist na to nung si Steven ng Sagrado. Nag-send na siya ng link dun sa, may message siya sa akin sa Messenger, and sabi niya i-check out itong artist na to. And what it turns out, na nagulat ako dahil siya pala si Sacred Dog. So, it's like, I'm surprised kasi nga, knowing the fact that Steven is a known vocalist ng bandang Sagrado at napakabigat ng tugtugan niya, and meron din pala siyang hidden talent sa kanyang pagra-rap. So, let's go ahead and check out itong performance niya. So, I will go ahead and share this video.
Dominate all of those who have a hate. Decimate all of those who have their fate. Illuminate all of those who can't relate. Recreate all of those who cannot wait. Dominate all of those who have a hate. Decimate all of those who have their fate. Illuminate all of those who can't relate. Recreate all of those who cannot wait. These pills I use to travel space and time are illegal. This weapon I use to kill my victims are too much lethal. Like a chunk of meat, the bits chopped little in the middle. But I'm satisfied with my fist put into my mouth like a mind delusional cannibal. So I set the fire while I bought this track just to back me up with a 9mm Glock. So when will I can bash your head like I'm Alan, while listening with the philosophy of the late great John Lennon? I'm too fed up of dealing with my demons, and I'm just hungry to behead all your minions. Dominate all of those who have a hate. Decimate all of those who have their fate. Illuminate all of those who can't relate. Recreate all of those who cannot wait. Dominate all of those who have a hate. Decimate all of those who have their fate. Illuminate all of those who can't relate. Recreate all of those who cannot wait. Wait, maybe I am dealing with my anxiety back and forth again. I need to crack it up, so I push my soul to the devil civilian. Like I'm the only one holy, like the hardcore legend Mick Foley. Sacred DAWG, it's the name. Brings a new face in this game of shame. In the left face, but here I am, still fucking alive, forever breathing like a motherfucking villain. I ain't a gangster, but you can call me like serial killer. Representing Melodine's strap beat here inside the freaking Manila. Oh, so you're going to hunt me down? I'm residing here in this dog town, Parayaga City, but born at the East Coast, ice baby, chilling like a hippie. Born in 1987, orgastic virgin. Fuck me, Mary, I'm not hungry, rather being hungry. You must know that famous lame true lyricism's not a shame, and FPS is hyper. Dominate all of those who have a hate. Decimate all of those who have their fate. illuminate all of those who can't relate, recreate all of those who cannot wait, dominate all of those who are fake, deprecate all of those who are late, detonate all of those who evaluate, infiltrate all of those who click my bait.
Alright, so that was a performance of Sacred Dog. So, ano ba masasabi ko sa video na to? So, overall, it's very new to me. Actually, to be honest, I'm not fan of rap music. Hindi talaga ako nakikinig ng mga tugtugan. Exception lang dyan yung mga nu metal, of course. Rap metal, talagang pwede ako mag-headbang dyan. Pero, yung pure na rap music, sobrang rare akong makinig yan. Siguro, ilang lang siguro sa daliri ko yung mga napakinggan kong rap na nagustuhan ko, and it's actually new to me na napakinggan ko tong atake ni Sacred Dog, at masasabi ko na napakagaling nung execution na. Despite the fact na metalhead listener ako, at saka hindi na kasi uso yung gatekeeping, so wala na akong pakialam sa mga away ng mga hip-hop at saka metal. So ang masasabi ko lang, no, na may possibility na tanggalin na natin yung boundaries na yan, di ba? So through means of Sacred Dog, mas lalo kong na-appreciate ang hip-hop music, at talagang magaling yung execution niya, nasa yung ritmo niya is magaling. I love how he executed, and talagang mapipil mo yung vibe niya as a rapper, and talagang malayong-malayo dun sa image niya dun sa sagrado. So I hope na makapag-release ka pa ng mga bagong kanta soon, and please support mga kanta ni Sacred Dog. Check out their links in the description. Alright, so that was all for the video for today, and let me know in the comment sections anong masasabi nyo sa performance ni Sacred Dog. Feel free to comment down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to send a thumbs and consider subscribing. Magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na episode ng Tales from the Underground. This is Kian, signing off. Rock on, Pilipinas!